Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Secret. In this review video, this is about this new info product from this James. Okay, this info product is called EndGame. So basically, EndGame is step-by-step video training that will show you how you can actually make 2000s lady on autopilot, right? And how you can actually clone the success of Mark and James in 20 minutes, right? Okay. So this is basically the whole idea behind this info product, right? Okay. Okay, so let me quickly show to you of this sales page. It's here it said 2000 ladies. How to clone our success in 20 minutes, right? Okay, so this is some of the testimonial here, and earnings also. Earning proof is also being part of this sales page, right? So I will actually go through this sales page, but I just would like to actually to have share with you my review about this info product, right? Okay, so James is not something new to us, right? James have been released a lot of product into the market. I think the latest product for James was actually been sold 10,000 copy, right? So anything coming from James is based on his proof of something he have actually proved to be working, which he have actually implemented, and he actually will share this in the training course, right? Okay. So in this end games, is a simple making money online, no SPM need. You can set it up once and continue seeing the result with minimum result. And this rinse and repeat whenever you want more traffic and profit. Okay, so this is basically what it do for this end game, right? Okay, so this the front end is a 12.95. It's a couple of upsell which I will go through with you in the next couple of minutes. Right, Endgame is the latest info product detailing the complete multi-strategy process. How Jim produced over 65,000 per month as an affiliate. So Jim has a combine of our top converting strategy into one simple process leading to monthly affiliate income. So how we can actually make 65,000 affiliate income per month by using the method from James, right? Okay, so what are the end games, the front end of TO? Okay, let's take a look into here. So this is a whole funnel. It's the front end is 12.95, and we have an upgrade one. So what is inside the end game front end? So this is an info product basically of a top converting strategy, all the strategy and all the trick and technique will be shared inside this front end itself, right? Okay, there's a bump here. Okay, this master class and fast track hack as just a few dollar. Yeah, so you're going to hold a live call where you show customer the in and out of the process, right? Okay, so upgrade one here is $37, right? So this upgrade one have his own to work another code and complete autopilot. Okay, so this is a profit automated. Is our secret list of swap asset and turn any click into a buyer with surprising consistency. Okay, learn from you. Upgrade 2 is learn from your package. This is the faster and easier way to success with Endgame. It combines every single asset we use every day into a slick two-click package that produce affiliate commission. So this is 197 upgrade 2, right? Okay, so we have upgrade 3 is a 10 times bundle. This is training asset and 10 times any affiliate promotion on complete autopilot. Okay, so upgrade 4 is unlimited traffic. So one better we provide anyone multiple unit better. So this is a traffic, more like a traffic booster, right? Okay, targeting buyer traffic is target alone, getting the call traffic to any offer. Okay, so this is time traffic meter being told here part of this upgrade 4. Upgrade 5 is a super affiliate reseller bundle. Okay, okay, so this is upgrade 5. You can see upgrade 5 is actually is $97. So what is inside the upgrade 5 is basically is this access to promote product is next to impossible. So is your obviously need approval. Okay, so this product are proven to convert. So this he will giving you every single of his product at ridiculous 100% commission. So you can have Jim's all product and sell it for 100% commission. So that is where the reseller bundle come in. Right? So we have a breakout affiliate mastery. Okay, it's a game changing. It's a flagship back-end coaching. It's a coaching program from James, and so fall into super affiliate over 6 week intensive training program. Right. So this one will actually cost you 697. Right. Okay. So this is the whole funnel here. So it's again up to you. I think I would suggest you to take the front ends and upgrade one and get this to work under complete autopilot. Okay, so there's some autopilot automated here. Okay, so we can turn time to profit yet. So there's a couple of this. Okay, ready to crash it with EndGame. So this is basically an info product, step-by-step video training from GM showing you proven method of making 2,000 daily, which covers some clear case study, list building strategy with email marketing, social media plus high ticket product selling click also, right? So this is a 3 simple step follow. They will actually show you the proven to convert sizzling hot offer that are producing over 2K. So you'll be showing inside the training course what are the product to actually to promote a hot high converting product which can actually make you 2,000 daily, right? Okay, and how to get approved for launch product. Also, they will show you how to get buyer traffic, and there's nothing. This traffic can start hitting your link in as soon as a minute. Okay, and profit is a fun part. Okay, so this is a simple. It's a 3-step. Jen is going to share with you how all this thing works. Okay, further I have also have some of the preview here. Okay, here. Take a look into this previews. So basically, when you opt into the member area, this you are going to see this, right? Okay, right. So this is going to welcome the start video case study, the EndGame case study, and this building. So James is going to show you in this case study some of his method he have applied and how this method have made him also consistent in income. So this case study and this building's email marketing, email this building's social media and high ticket integration. Okay, so this EndGame bonus is also here, right? And the couple upgrade also here, right? Okay, so in this email marketing, James is going to share with you all of this. There are 7 steps here. Important on list building and overview, finding hot offer, how to build a solid list building funnel, list building page method, tracking optimization, rotator method, and also integration with autoresponder. Okay, so for now, this is a social media list building. So this is more on using email marketing. This is talking about social media, importance of social media list and audience building. Create a Facebook group. Okay, so how we can use a Facebook group actually to drive targeting traffic and use a chatbot. It's talking about chatbot. Okay, and also using your Facebook group as bonuses also, and leveraging your Facebook for commission. Okay, so this is how you can actually tap into Facebook social media traffic here. Okay, so we also the other topic is about high ticket integration. So how to promote high ticket product, finding high ticket offer, integrating high ticket offer into email marketing. All this will be told as a part of this step-by-step training which Jim is going to cover just for the price of $12.95, right? Okay, so this is my basically what Jim is going to offer under this training courses. Right? Okay, again, I have actually picked a couple of really high quality bonuses. Right? First thing you're going to get if you get this training course, EndGame via my link below this video, and you're going to get this from me, my free list building training, video training with 100 click. So this is a very complete video training course. Teach you about this building. At the end of the course, you're going to get 100 click, and you can actually use this 100 click to promote any offer or product. Okay. Next one is on product. I'm going to give you my own product of 50,000. Make money on the subscriber to promote any offer, right? And also 50K line from use package. Bonus package is again high qualities bonuses, right? Okay, so in this bonuses, you're going to get some bonus package. All this bonus package, they already come with this bonus page, delivery page, all bonuses and graphic also. You can actually just plug into your any landing page and start using these bonuses as a giveaway or as a lead magnet or anything you want to do. It's up to you with these bonuses. Right? Smarty Builder is an e-commerce site. builder. Also we have the funnel kit. This like click funnel, you are paying click funnel for $99, but you're going to get from me funnel kit for free, right? Okay, so this exclusive also from this how to make 10,000 per month use with affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is one of the very famous training courses. Also, SmartSlide Pro is presentation and marketing visual template. You can edit in PPT and you can convert it into a PDF or into a video also, right? Okay, so we also have a VidSpark video creation app for more traffic lead and sale, and BotEngage chatbot creation app for more lead and sale, and also OutReachr larger traffic cloud app also come together. I showed affiliate store builder, right? Also, you're going to get a free traffic method. You know, okay, fitting traffic method. So this is going to boost your traffic source, right? On top of what James will be teaching you about using the email marketing for build this and using the Facebook method. Okay, in fact, in one of my bonuses here, I'm giving you a 50,000 make money on the subscriber. You can actually log into here, autoresponder, and start promoting them with this. Any offer, you don't have to worry how to build this and how to get started to build this, because I'm giving you the list as part of the bonuses here. Okay, so this is pretty cool. My bonuses is very high quality, right? With spa and all this. Furthermore, now once again, okay, so you're going to get another bonus for me. Is about the top 6 pay underground traffic source for your website. Okay, so you're going to get this from me also, right? Okay, so for now, and you have this our bonus of how to training, how to make money on that without selling anything, right? Okay, so and Jono's TikTok traffic app Nova, and also Jono's Instagram traffic app JavaScript commission bot, and also 200 special bonus bundle, which is also come under here. You just click here and have a quick look on what's inside this bonus bundle, right? Because basically you're going to get below things from me, and this bundle 3,000 email shop, complete email marketing with the training course, and also more than 100 traffic app is also come together under here, and also opt-in and lead magnet capture page template, everything is going to be here. And also and one of the best part here is you're going to get 80 training courses from me, which come from Jono and for Venomous. These are the previous product we have been sold thousands of copy, and you're getting this free. Everything is free here. In total, you have 2,000 over 2,000 bonuses you'll be getting under. If you click the link below this video and get this EndGame today itself from me myself, and if for the first 4 bonuses, if you take any of the upgrade plus FE, you're going to get the first 4 bonuses, right? Okay, so all these first 3 bonuses, sorry, so you're going to get these first 3 bonuses if you purchase any front end plus the upgrade. Okay, so this is basically this is what I have to offer to you, right? So click the link below this video. So overall, James method is proven to be work, and any product from James is never a disappointment. And any product from James is going to sold to be sold, I think over 5,000 10,000 copy. That is a normal for James product, right? Okay, so that's it for me, my presentation today. Just click the link below this video. You come to this page, just click on this orange button, then you can actually make a purchase of the EndGame in this sales page here, right? And get this EndGame's info product, the training course, right? And together with my mega bonuses back, right? Okay, thank you very much. Bye.